some of our legislators in their constituency to give whatever the bills have been pending. Earlier in the BJP government, more than 1 lakh crore in my own department has been done work. We are able to not to give only 10 to 15% of the bills because no FSR, since FSR works have been taken without the budget. So they are requesting some MLAs and some party leaders or some other people. If any complaint is there, let them file it before the Lokayukta. Either Satish Jarkiwali family or Bosaj family or none of them have been involved with any of these things. If there anything is there, let why contractor use, they should go and approach the minister. They know how much the budget is. Without knowing the budget, why did they take the work? It is a fault of the contractors also. I had warned before BJP losing its government 6 months, 7 months, 1 year back. Don't take such type of contract. I myself being a party president had warned it. So there is all, if anything is there, let them file. They themselves are using so many other leaders and MLAs to give a letter. I have got so many letters. Please clear bill in my constituency. The contractors waiting. This is a problem. Whatever contract association, there doesn't have anything. Strengthen it.
Despite opposition from Okaliga Lingayat community, social economic categorically mentioned Satish Jarkiwali's son-in-law Manjunath's name as well as Bosraj's son, intervening when they request for a clearing of the pending bills.
See, very clearly, both the ministers have already come on record saying that if they have any kind of problems with their kith and kin, or if they have any kind of evidence, let them come and share it with the CM or with anybody else within the government. These kind of hit and run allegations will not do. Even last time when they claimed 40%, we have set up a committee for that. And they can still go ahead and complain to the relevant authorities. And more importantly, both the ministers have suggested if it is proved, they are going to resign. I mean, it is now becoming a habit for anybody who does not get a contract or their bills paid on time. They allege like this. Like, my question is, in the previous government, more than 40-50,000 crores worth of contracts were given. At whose behest were they given? Even when there was no money allocated for such projects, contracts were bid. That time, weren't they aware that this is happening? In the previous government, that time they did not say anything. We are for transparent government. We want to give clean administration, and we are doing everything within our ambit to do so. And if they have any evidence against any of the ministers, the CM is more than happy to investigate, is what both the DCM and the CM have suggested. But this kind of regular blackmailing should not be done.
Sir, about the socio-economic survey should be discussed today in the cabinet. Despite opposition from Lingayat and Okaliga leaders, you are taking...
See, we don't know what is there in it. We don't know what is there in the socio-economic survey. And ultimately, it's going to be placed in the cabinet. Whatever decision has to be taken will be taken collectively. Whether the survey has happened scientifically, unscientifically, are there any loopholes that need to be closed in? And more importantly, for internal reservation, we have already told that we are going to do an extensive scientific survey for that, in depth. So let's wait for what is placed before the cabinet. When I'm not aware of what the report is there, I will not be able to comment on it.
Sir, Mr. Prahlad Joshi said now Congress is trying to take the credit of Sabur Rana, but the fact of the matter that it was Vijay Singh who said that Pakistan has no involvement in Project.
See, Mr. Joshi should actually place a report in front of public on the increased number of terrorist activities that are happening in India. As usual, they go back to history. As usual, they bring up dead skeletons out of closets. What have these people done in the last 11 years? Here in the assembly, people are debating that Bengaluru is becoming Bangladesh and Pakistan. How are Bangladeshis and Pakistan coming till Bangalore? How are they? Is it the responsibility of the government of Karnataka to safekeep the borders? So Mr. Joshi should come out clean on what they are doing to ensure terrorist activity stop. It's just increasing everywhere.
अभी आपके ऊपर जो भी एलिगेशंस है, आपका सन इन लॉ जो एक्साइज कमिश्नर है मंजुनाथ, बिल्डिंग में इंटरवेंशन हो रहा है करके कॉन्ट्रैक्टर एसोसिएशन एलिगेशंस किया है।
नहीं, वो तो कि ऐसे नहीं है। जो भी आता है प्रायोरिटी नॉन प्रायोरिटी दोनों है उसमें। सो मंजुनाथ और कोई से कहने से हम नहीं करते हैं। मंत्री जो लोग रहते हैं, एमएलए रहते हैं, उनका कहने पे हमको देने का अधिकार है। 20% हम देते हैं, उसमें ही देते हैं और ज़्यादा नहीं देते हम।
सर अभी कह रहे हैं कि पहले से भी इस गवर्नमेंट में ज़्यादा करप्शन है, ज़्यादा परसेंटेज है।
ये करप्शन की बात एलिगेशन नहीं है हमारे ऊपर। प्रायोरिटी नॉन प्रायोरिटी का मुद्दा है।
सर आपका ही गवर्नमेंट है ना।
नहीं, हमारे जो है एलिगेशन उसका मुद्दा है। छोटे लोगों को नहीं दे रहा, बड़े को दे रहे, वो एलिगेशन है।
60% गवर्नमेंट है।
मिडिल मैन और अनसीन हैंड्स के
नहीं, वो गए ना, वो कोई प्रूव करना चाहिए। वो लोग प्रूव करना चाहिए कैसा वो मिडिल मैन का प्रभाव चलता है, वो करना चाहिए।
आज कास्ट सेंसस जहां कैबिनेट के
आज आ रहा है।
इसके बारे में आपका क्या राय है?
नहीं, आना चाहिए, खुले आपसे चर्चा होना चाहिए, सबका राय लेना चाहिए, उसके बाद उसको लागू करना चाहिए।
But other side, there are some claims that some of the caste inside into the Congress party.
I don't know, that has yet to be discussed in the cabinet. So, if the issue comes to the cabinet, there will be discussion on that.
It's a contractors association again making several claims. Contractor association, they've written that 500 crores corruption.
You see, this is all. See, I don't know what under what circumstance they're telling, but it is absolutely lie. See, last government was the most corrupt government. That's what entire state knows. So the opposition is trying to turn the tables by making the same allegations. I don't know. I don't think if there is any evidence, let them go to the Lokayukta. So there is a thing place. Let them